Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightex. Today I'll show you how to use the healing brush inside Photoshop. I just downloaded this picture from pexels.com, and in my situation, let's say I want to remove the text, the graffiti, if you want to call it this way, from this wall. So it will be nice and only the color of the wall will be, so the text on the wall will not be there anymore. How you can do that? Well, you have the letter J on your keyboard. I'll recommend you learning the shortcuts because this will save you a lot of time in your further projects. So let's just hold the letter J, or you can locate the spot healing brush on the left side is this one, and this is the shortcut as I told you. I will zoom a little bit with holding Alt and scroll, and this will help me. And now I'm holding J, and you have to play with this. And what the Photoshop will do, basically it will recognize the color which is near the text you want to remove, and will automatically delete that. But doing this with this little brush will take me a month to delete this text. So what I'm going to do, I'm holding J, and here you can locate the brush size. I will make it bigger. Now let's go 200, and now is much better. I'm holding J, click, and the text just disappear. Very nice and smooth, and the text is not there anymore. Let's zoom out, and it disappeared. But what in this case, if I want to remove this light bulb, let's try it, why not, with J, and click select it, and you can see the Photoshop is doing its work very nice. I mean, you can tell there was a lamp. You can locate this very tiny difference, but who will zoom in this much to see if the photo was Photoshop or not? What else you can do? Let's Control Z all this because I want to put everything back. Now you can also right click on this, and let's try healing brush tool. And what this does, well, with Alt and click, you will take a source like this one or like this one, and you can colorate everything. This is much different, but this will help you in other situation. For example, I am Alt and clicking this way, and I just took that source. As you can see, if I'm holding the click, you can see this cross. It means that my source is right here. And in this case, let's Alt and click here. In this case, let's Alt and click here, and I just took that thing and I can place it like that. Or if I want to create something, you can do this, and if you want to make it bigger to help you, you can do that. You will take basically the whole fence or something and place it where you want. A 5000 brush will not help you. Let's go 500, and let's take this source, and let's see if I can connect those somehow. You have to be very patient, but this will work. This is another tool, the healing brush, but the easiest to use in my opinion is spot and healing brush, because this will use just the colors nearby, and you don't have to take a source in order to correct or to heal that space. So that was the tutorial, guys, how to use the healing brush in Photoshop. This is the easiest way. You can locate the tool itself on the left side. Either you hold the letter J on your keyboard, then you will automatically use that, and if you want to change that, you have to right click and select the one you want to use. And also, when you want to select the source, you have to hold J and Alt at the same time in order to select the source. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any questions down in the comment section if you have any. Please have a great day.